all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically update your team on Telegram, or you can update your channel on Telegram whenever you post something new on Instagram. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below, so go on that URL, and at the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Instagram. Once we search for Instagram, we have to select Instagram for business. For the event, we have to select it as new media posted in my account and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Instagram for business and Pabbly Connect, so click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Instagram for business. Once we click on this, as you can see, the connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect happens using the Facebook. So make sure that you connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account, and not only this, make sure to log in your Facebook and Instagram account both. Because if you haven't done this, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your accounts and then only going to get the option to click on this continue. So once you get this option to click on this continue, click on continue and your Instagram for business account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting this, you're going to see the Instagram account to use over here. If you don't see the name over here, you can click on this refresh field and the name will be visible. After doing this, click on this save and close this trigger. And now I'm just going to let you know that Instagram for business is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time in order to check for new data. And over here in the case of Instagram for business, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. So if you want to reduce or increase this time, left click on this and go to this set trigger time. You can reduce the time minimum to 10 minutes and you can maximize it up to 24 hours. It totally depends upon you. I'm going to keep it as 10 minutes only. Now after selecting the Instagram account to use, you have to click on this save and send test request. But before we click on the save and send test request, you have to do a test submission so that we can capture the response for the same. So we have to upload on this page. Alright, so let's say I'm going to post something on my Instagram page. I'm going to go towards this create a post. Alright, I'm going to click on select from computer and select the image which I want to post. After selecting the image, I'm going to go towards this next. If you wish, you can definitely edit this image over here. So let's edit this image a little and then I'm going to click on this next. I'm going to enter the caption and I'm going to share this post. And you're going to see we have to wait for a few seconds and this post will be shared. And as you can see, your post has been shared. Alright, so we have successfully shared this post. Let's refresh it and you can see that we have posted it. Now let's open our workflow and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received this response over here. You're going to see the caption is exactly the same which we posted. Over here is the post link and also the media URL. Now I want to notify my audience on Telegram that I've posted something new on my Instagram. So for that, I'm just going to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Telegram bot and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as send a text message or reply and click on this connect. Once we click on this connect, it is saying add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, open your Telegram and search for bot father and then click on this start. Once you click on this start, you will see this message. So go towards this slash new bot. Now it is saying alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? So I'm going to call this new bot as new post. and then I'm going to send this name. Once I send this name, it is saying good. Now let's choose a username. So I'm going to keep the username as new post PC underscore bot. So it is really important that you mention underscore bot at the end of the username, otherwise the username will not be accepted. So as you can see that a bot has been created and over here is the token. So let's copy this token and paste it right over here in our workflow. After pasting this token, click on this save and your Telegram bot account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And now after connecting, it is asking me for the chat ID. Now to get this chat ID, open your Telegram and add this bot which you have created right now in your channel or the group you wish to send the messages in. So I'm going to add this bot in this group. So I'm just going to open this group and click on this add new members, and I'm going to add this new bot. And as you can see that we have successfully added this new bot. After adding this new bot, you have to make sure that you promote this bot to admin, that you have to give this bot the admin access. So to give this bot the admin access, you have to use your Telegram mobile application. So open your Telegram on mobile, and after you open this, you have to open the same group and then go towards this members. You're going to see the same bot. So just tap on that bot and you're going to get the option to promote to admin. So click on promote to admin and give all the permissions and click on this tick button. And we have successfully promoted this bot to admin. So let's refresh it and we're going to check that it has been updated over here or not. And as you can see, yes, this bot has been promoted to admin. Now after promoting this bot, we're going to get this chat ID. So we have to open the chat in which we want to send the messages, and in this URL we're going to get this chat ID which is after this hashtag. Alright, so let's copy this chat ID and paste it right over here. But you have to make sure that when you paste this chat ID, your account should be in A version. So what is this A version? So you have to make sure that over here in the URL you have this A. But if you have this K in your URL, then you have to go towards this menu and you're going to see the option switch to A version over here. And you have to make sure that you only copy this chat ID from A version. And after pasting this chat ID, it is asking me for the text message. So I'm just going to enter the message, new post from Pabbly. Over here I'm going to enter the caption and the post link. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So like we have mapped this caption, we are also going to map this post link. Alright, so now let's map this post link. You have to make sure that you map this permalink over here. Now you can see that I've successfully entered this text message. Now it is asking me for many other details. So all of these details are not required, and you can also keep these settings as same. If you wish, you can definitely change it. Otherwise, you can keep it as same and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this message. So let's open our Telegram and you're going to see the message is sent. And this post says, new post from Pabbly, work smarter, not harder. Let automation do the heavy lifting. Check it out on Instagram. So once they're going to click on this link, automatically the post is going to open on Instagram. So yes, using this we can increase the engagement on our Instagram post. And with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever we're going to post something on our Instagram within 10 minutes, this workflow is going to get activated and post that same on my Telegram too. And we're going to notify our Telegram audience that we have posted something new on Instagram, and this is going to increase the engagement on our Instagram post too. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this amazing automation for your own business too. You can also copy my message and just change your caption and permalink and do this for your own business. So see you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.